How to delete messages on Pinterest. So first is to launch the Pinterest application. Now on the bottom, you will see the menu panel. Tap the message icon and then switch to inbox, which you can find on top. So in here, you will find all of the message conversations in your Pinterest account. Tap on a conversation and then tap the three dots or the ellipsis icon found on the top right corner. Now as you can see, there's no option to delete this conversation, but what you can do instead is to select Hide Conversation. By doing that, it removes the conversation in your inbox, but it does not necessarily delete the conversation. And so that is how you delete messages on Pinterest. Thank you and have a great day.